In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your mic audio in OBS Studio using some of the best free VST plugins available, perfect for live streaming and podcasting. Let's dive right into it and make your audio clearer and more professional sounding without spending a dime. First, you'll want to open up OBS Studio on your computer. If you're new to OBS Studio, it's a fantastic open-source software used for video recording and live streaming, and it comes equipped with a host of features to enhance your audio-visual content. That includes the ability to use VST plugins, which we'll be focusing on today. Once OBS Studio is up and running, direct your attention to the Audio Mixer panel. This is where you can see and control different audio sources you have set up, such as your microphone or desktop audio. It's usually located at the bottom of your OBS window. Clicking here will give you access to more resources to refine your audio quality. Next, look for the small three-dot icon next to the audio device you want to enhance. This icon is your gateway to more sophisticated audio settings. Clicking on it will reveal a small menu with several options. From this menu, select Filters. Filters in OBS are incredibly useful for managing your audio input as they allow you to add various effects or enhancements to your sound. You can think of them as tools to shape your audio experience, refining the quality to suit your specific needs. After you've opened the Filters menu, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on it to add a new filter. This is where it starts to get exciting as we begin to incorporate VST plugins, which stand for Virtual Studio Technology. VST plugins are powerful tools used in digital audio workstations to add effects or improve audio quality and can take your microphone audio from good to great. When you click on the plus icon, a menu will appear. From here, choose VST. At this point, you'll want to ensure you have some VST plugins installed on your computer. There are many excellent free ones available online that are quite popular in the streaming community, such as Replugs or the TDR Nova Equalizer. Once you've selected VST from the list, you'll then be able to choose from your installed VST plugins and start experimenting with different settings to find what works best for your voice and setup. Each plugin offers unique features and effects that can help balance the sound, reduce noise, and enhance clarity. I recommend spending some time playing around with the settings to tailor the audio precisely to your liking. Don't be afraid to experiment, as different voices and environments benefit from different configurations. By making these adjustments, your live streams and podcasts will sound far more polished and professional. That's it. With these simple steps, you've added a powerful tool to your audio arsenal, all without costing a cent. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your OBS Studio audio. Happy streaming!